Samson, you're a big old boy. Why are you such a big boy? Is that the Kongerator? Is that Kong? What are you doing, boy? You having a good morning? You get your treats, your medicine? Don't you feel good? Doesn't that feel better? Come on, let's get some thump thumps going on that wall. Yeah. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. What are you doing, boy? What are you doing, Kong? Samson, are you a good boy too? Yeah. Oh, Kongerator. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, Kong. Yeah. Oh, Kong. Good boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're Samson. Big old fat boy. You're a sweet one.